Watching one video, you earn 61 cents, and watching second video will earn you 32 cents. Watching third video, you earn 47 cents, and so on and so forth. And using the trick shown in this video, you can earn $2.48 every minute watching YouTube videos. And this works in every country: United States, Canada, United Kingdom, India, Philippines, and all countries around the world. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus trick that will help you make $600 a day in pure passive income using this new website. So step number one is to come over this website where you can earn money by just watching YouTube videos online. I will reveal the name of this website in a minute, but before that, I want to show you how this website actually works. So you watch videos such as commercial ads, YouTube videos, movie, TV and all. Or you can earn $1 per referral, and that's when someone joins this site with your link. And once you reach the minimum amount in your account, you can transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal account, and other withdrawal options available here. Over 1,500 brands, including the ones featured here, have partnered up with this website, so they can offer you new videos each and every time. You can read more about this website if you want to by clicking on About Us option on the top right corner of this website. Otherwise, to get started on this website, just click on the sign up button over here. And now all you have to do is to enter your first name, your last name, your birthday, your gender, your email, and your password. And let's make sure you take this captcha and then create an account. And as you can see, we have received $5 as a sign of bonus to my account.
That's awesome.
And now let me show you how we can even earn more money to our account. And so you can see on the left hand side, there are 5 videos which we can watch. And starting on the first video, we will get 61 cents for watching this video, which you can see on the screen right now. So let us click on the play button of this video. Immediately we are going to be shown an ad, so we simply close it and click on the play button again, and the video will start to play. And we do not have to necessarily watch the whole video. We just have to watch it for 34 seconds. And you can even look at the countdown time, which shows the amount of time remaining. When the seconds are up, we just click on the complete button under the video, and we will be shown another ad, but we will just simply close it and click on complete button again. And on our dashboard, the message will appear says successfully completed. You have received 61 cents. All we have to do now is to refresh the page so that the amount will reflect in our account. So as you can see, our account balance has become $5.61. And so now I want you to repeat the same process to video 2, 3, 4, and 5. So just click on the second video, and we are going to be shown an ad again, so we simply close it and click on the play button again, and the video will start to play. And just wait for the 34 seconds for the video to complete and click on the complete button under the video, and we'll be shown another ad, but we'll simply close it and click on the complete button again. And after refreshing the page again, we can see that my account has become $5.93. However, one thing you must have noticed is that you can only watch 5 videos in every 24 hours period. So if you click on the first or the second video again, it will show you that this video will be available after 24 hours. But do not worry, I will show you how you can still make $2.48 every minute again and again. But before that, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and comment down below the country where you're watching this video from, so that I can make more videos for you. Step number 2. For making $2.48 again and again with these 5 videos only, all you have to do is to create several accounts on this website. For example, you can create 5 to 10 accounts. One account will earn you 61 cents, plus 32 cents, plus 47 cents, plus 52 cents, plus 56 cents, and this will give us a total amount of $2.48 in less than a minute. So if you have 10 accounts, you earn a total amount of $24.08 just within a few minutes. And that's so easy, so don't worry if you don't have a lot of email addresses. So here is a bonus tip just for you to create multiple accounts. Let me show you something real quick, but first let me log out of my account, and we can start the process of creating new accounts by clicking the sign up again. And now on next page, we can just enter different first name, last name, birthday, and gender. When we get to the email address box, here is what you have to do when you have just one email address. Previously, we were using videomaster78901@gmail.com, and if you try to use it again, the site will say this email is taken, try another. And here is the trick: you have to put .@ anywhere you want, and it will be accepted. And as you can see, we have just created a new account using the same email, and it's a trick many people don't know. Now, to make $600 in pure passive income, step number 3 is, I want you to go to the top right corner, and just as you can see, and select the referral option over here. We will be taken to this page. where you can see that anytime someone signs up using our referral link, we will earn $1 per referral. Now, the name of this website is called wintup.com, and I'll leave the link of this website in the description below, so you can easily find this website and start making money with it. And now, the most important thing for you to learn is to withdraw this whole money. But before that, subscribe to this channel and put on the post notification bell so that whenever we drop a new video, you are going to receive it. And to withdraw your earnings from this website, all you have to do is to go to my account again and select withdraw option from there. It will take you to this page where you can see that they have basically 4 options for you to withdraw your earnings. Western Union have a minimum limit of $100. PayPal have a minimum of $80, as well as WebMoney and Payon also has a minimum threshold limit of $80. And once you reach the threshold limit, all you have to do is to click on the withdraw button and set up your account, and you receive the money in your account. And earning $80 is very easy if you consistently follow both the method I showed you in this video. That's it for today. Like the video if you got some value out of it.
Thank you, Legitimate Tube.